My upper lip is swollen. Somebody kissed it too much. No, it's my pimple. I have to pop it later because I have a date. Look, I look like I have a filler. I should have wear red lipstick. Gagawa tayo ng cake ni Alex. Naku, ang hirap magsalita. It's hurting. Birthday ni Alex tomorrow. Also, ang aking ate-ate sa Mary Barrow, si Ate Cora. I think birthday niya rin, same day. Okay. It's so ugly. I look like ako. Makakainis. Kailan may date. Okay. So, we're making the cake, the base of the cake. I need 2 cakes so I can put it together. One will have so 2 cups of flour. I have 2 bowls here, that's why. And then I'm checking my notes. 3/4 of a cup of cocoa powder. We're just measuring by vibe. So that's it. 2 cups of sugar. I usually mix 1 each of brown sugar and white sugar. Brown sugar makes it moist, I think. That's how I read it before. I read it on recipe that I followed. So that's 1 for me. Oh no, not yet. 1. Then another 1 for the other another 1, and I'll find the white sugar. 1. I ran out. Another 1. So I'll try. I slept good this morning. I think I slept late anyway, so I woke up at 4:45 and then went back to sleep and slept until 7:30. My father woke me up. He thought I was gonna work, and he was worried I haven't woken up yet because usually I wake up very early. But you know what? It's my day off. Okay, we'll put 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 2 each for the bowl. I hope it is correct. And then 1 and 1.5 teaspoon of bicarb, and then 1 teaspoon each of salt each bowl because I'm making 2 cakes, remember? And that's it for the dry ingredients. I'm gonna do the wet ingredients in a little while. I have to mix this and put away all the stuff that I took out of the pantry. We'll just mix it this time. I won't sieve it. Not in the mood to do it. I'm just gonna mix it thoroughly. Just make sure the cocoa powder is really mixed, because it's still lumpy like this. One down. See the lumps there? I should be sifting, but I have a lot of things to do. I just need this to bake this and then cool it down, cut it into half. I still have to make the, what do you call that? The spread for the middle, the caramel, salted caramel. I have to make that from scratch as well. And then stick them together, and I'll probably ice them tomorrow after I come home. I have a date. I have a date. Is it a date? I don't know. We'll put it back. It's all edible. Oh, I bought a scratchy yesterday. Around, probably it cost me $8, like 3 of $2 each, and then 2 of $1 each. And guess what? I won. I won probably, excuse me, 1 ticket. The $1 one is $8 I got, and then 2 of the $2 ones I got $10 out of the other one, and the other one has probably, it's probably $13 or 15. Not bad. That guy is lucky. He gave me the good, the good one. I just said, can you give me 1 of each of this $2 and $1 one? And he gave me everything in it. Oh, it was only like 4 pieces. So what's that? Okay, that was $8, and I got probably $30 out of it. Last fortnight, I got $30 out of $2. I like it better than buying my lotto. So this is done. I'm gonna prepare the oven now. I will be mixing the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients for the cake. I'm running out of time. It's midday now, and I need to be out of town by 6. And I can't leave until tomorrow, so I'm rushing. I'll make this cake today. Hopefully I can at least put the filling in the middle, because I like my chocolate cake with caramel, salted caramel in the middle. And then I'll ice it tomorrow. I'll just make a basic chocolate cake with a little bit of design on top. I'm not very creative in designing a cake. I'm just a basic one. I don't have art in my body. Maarte, yes I am, pero not very good in any designing. I make a good cake, but I can proudly say that. That's it for the pan. I don't know where I put my other pan. I should be baking 2 today. This is one cup of milk and then 1 tablespoon taken off and replace it with vinegar. That's my buttermilk. So this is the dry ingredients. See, still got that cocoa powder because I'm too lazy to sift. But it will do. I just need to work out what else I will be putting. Oil. I need oil. So I'm just gonna prepare. So 2 eggs for the wet ingredients, 1 cup buttermilk, and half a cup of oil. It's best to use the Crisco brand because it doesn't taste. This one has aftertaste when you use it in the cake. I can't describe it in English, but maanta in Tagalog, and I don't like it. Crisco is a bit expensive, but my hands are shaking. But it doesn't affect or doesn't give you the aftertaste in the cake, which is good. But at the moment I forgot, and I usually have some in the pantry, but I don't know what happened. I only use that Crisco brand for cakes, vegetable or not peanut oil, just vegetable oil or canola, just Crisco brand. This one will do for now. Hopefully it doesn't taste too much yuckiness. So we have 1/2 cup of oil. Oopsies. 2 eggs. Ah! And then this buttermilk. And then my homemade vanilla. 1 to 2 tablespoons. That's enough. I still need it for the other cake. And then we'll just give it a good mix. This one is hot water with a tablespoon of coffee powder. The strongest, the better. It's more than a cup actually. You know me, I measure by vibe. I will add this once everything is incorporated. And then that should be it. I'll just mix this now with my hand mixer. I'll move it to the other side. Just mix this for 3 minutes. And then mix the hot water in it. Coffee. Nag-i-enhance ng flavor ng chocolate ang coffee. That it won't taste coffee at all. Nakalimutan ko na mag-English. I'm running out of right words to say. Just gonna get a spatula. This is not spatula, stupid. It's a whisk. Oh, silly. Oh, I'm tired. My gosh. Spatula. Alright, I got the right one. My brain, I think I'm just excited because I'm going out tonight. And abandon my son. Let him walk at night from work. He was saying, you chose to have a date and let me walk? Oh, he's so good at that. He's 16, he can manage. No one will kidnap him anymore. Oh, my child. That should do. I'll leave that in the oven for 45 to an hour. 45 minutes to an hour, and I need to do other things as well. I still have one cake to do. Ugh.